This is Josh Beckwith, and today I'm going to go over to how to make some really cool stuff with smart objects in Photoshop. I'm just going to start with a rectangle, and I took the fill out, put a stroke on it, just so we can see what's going on better with the smart objects. So to make a smart object, you have to select the layer, right-click on it, and say Convert to Smart Object. This little icon will show up, and that's how you know it's a smart object. So I'm going to copy this and then double click to go into the smart object. So any changes I make in here will show up on both of these. So I'm just going to make a little squiggle so you can see it show up on both of them. So you can do some pretty cool stuff like reflective drawing. I'm just going to transform this, flip it horizontally. And you can put anything in these smart objects, like images or text or whatever. So now I'm going to show you how to make some cool pattern stuff. I'm just going to trash that and save this to clear it out. I'm going to copy this layer by Alt dragging. And I'm going to transform it around the middle. I'm going to select both of these and copy them. Transform them around the middle. Not perfect, but whatever. Alright, so even that looks pretty cool. So I'm going to turn the square off, and that looks good. Get a nice script typeface, and everybody likes ampersands, so I'm going to put an ampersand in there. And save it. And there you go. Some awesome pattern stuff. It's that easy. And you can really change what this design looks like just by moving this around and saving it and seeing what it looks like. So that's pretty cool. So you get really intricate designs without a lot of work. Oops. I'm going to transform this that way. See what that looks like. Pretty awesome. And of course, again, you can put images in here or whatever you want. So I'm going to grab an image from the desktop, make it pretty big. So by default, the normal blend mode is, of course, normal. You can see that right here. So I'm going to go over here. This is kind of a pain, but I'm going to change these all to darken. And of course, you can also, lower the opacity for a different effect. Alright, so now you can see all of the images at once. So I'm just going to fiddle around with this, see what we get. Pretty cool stuff. And you can make it a lot more complex really easily just by, I'm going to group these and then just copy the group. Maybe. Maybe not. Alright, I'll just copy all of them. Then transform them. Make it one click, holding the shift. Alright. Anyway, you get the point. So, have fun.